For Windows users, holding down the Windows button and pressing R will bring up the Run window, where typing this in will bring us up to the roaming location of the Blender installation. And for the purposes of this demo, I will be renaming my folder to be 2.82a, since we're running Blender 2.82. And I'm just going to be running the Steam version of Blender, where it loads up as if it's never been loaded before. So left click, search, save new settings. And we'll go ahead and scale the window to fit inside of the recording area. And with that, we'll click on edit and bring up our preferences. And we're just going to jump straight to add-ons and choose install, jump to C drive tools. And first we'll install the latest hard ops, just because. And after installing that and enabling, we'll go ahead and install the latest boxcutter, which is boxcutter 7.1v. And after enabling boxcutter, you'll see the icon in the side menu, and we are ready to begin. So I'll press Control Alt Spacebar in order to maximize our view, which also gets rid of the top bar. So I'll press Alt W to show up my top bar, and now we're ready to rock. So for the most part, boxcutter hasn't changed. You should just be able to just get in here, draw, turn on snapping, use your snap dots to draw and cut through things. However, with the addition of release lock, things definitely change and get more interesting, because now you can draw and pause and click to just jump to laser cut. And this is a whole different way of approaching things, where if you're using a touchscreen display, it'll definitely become something that's more of a shock, and also hopefully something that you'll become more enthusiastic with. We've tried to improve our behavioral things all around. So for example, if you use a custom cutter, it by default has no cutter set, but if we press C, it sets it as a custom cutter. And so if we put a cube next to this and we draw a custom cutter, you'll notice that now this shape in release lock mode is being drawn into a pause state, where I can just grab this and extrude it. And in addition to being able to scale things, grab things, and rotate things now to assist you with your cutting antics, boxcutter has now been made to be better than ever. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this release.